you back at it with your Vegas leans for November 14th through 17th. Last week, 2-1, baby. Hoosiers hit exactly like I told you. Colts handled business, and Monday night got a little wild, but hey, winning weeks keep the lights on. Let's start with college ball. Minnesota at Oregon on Friday night. Autzen Stadium's going to be louder than a slot jackpot, and the Ducks have too much speed for the Gophers. I'm leaning Oregon to win and cover at home. Over to the NFL. Commanders at Eagles on Sunday. Philly's the better team, but the Commanders keep games tighter than they should. I'm taking Commanders plus the points. They cover. Next up, Buccaneers at Bills. Look, Buffalo at home in November is a whole different animal. Give me Bills straight up. They take care of business in the cold. And finally, Cowboys at Raiders Monday night in Vegas. You know I love my hometown slate, but Dallas is rolling. I'm leaning Cowboys to win and cover, even in the desert. So there it is. Oregon covers, Commanders cover, Bills win, Cowboys cover. Track 'em, ride 'em, fade 'em, whatever helps you sleep at night. I'm Lucky Lou, signing off. May your parlay dreams be slightly less crushed than mine.